Greetings from Shiba Inu Crypto once again, everyone. The CEO of Google affirms that Shiba Inus burn, so prepare to never work again. South by Southwest on Monday features SHIB news. An iconic monument to the Japanese hunting dog breed Shiba Inu, dubbed the W. Agmi Temple, in a virtual landscape featuring enchanting forests of bamboo and cherry trees swaying in the wind, welcomed hundreds of festival-goers hours after Silicon Valley Bank's collapse threatened the future of most tech startups. This was done in homage to the cryptocurrency slogan "We're all going to make it." It provided a break from collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse into the metaverse being constructed by Shibu cryptocurrency creators. We'll discuss Google CEO's confirmation of Shiba Inu burn, be ready, and never work again SHIB news in this video. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Decentralized cryptocurrency bank runs like the one from last Friday are unavoidable. With his video camera turned off, Shoshiro Kusama, the enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, who goes only by his alias and an avatar of a hooded figure wearing a long cloak, tells Fast Company over Google Meet. He refuses to talk out and instead types into a chatbot. He observes that banks have fractional reserves and that more people are choosing to diversify as a result. When the 5% global adoption rate rises, more people become aware of SHIB and ask, "What's this thing?" after realizing how amazing we are. Not that some folks aren't aware of this already. Though Web3 advocates remain a specialized portion of the Twitter population, SHIB may have the most cult-like following among crypto deans. The token was originally intended to raise a Dogecoin killer in order to surpass the competitor meme-based token Dogecoin. It was created 2.5 years ago. Its devoted supporters, referred to as the Army, were extremely serious. Together, they used only a social media uprising to propel shibainu into the top 10 cryptocurrencies at one point, with a $44 billion market valuation. Its universe has grown after the introduction of 10,000 Shoshiro NFTs, pixelated Shibu avatars with various accessories like a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth or a pirate helmet. Shibaswap is a decentralized exchange platform. Crypto influencer Elon Musk and Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin also gave Shibu shoutouts. Next, a collaboration with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. On crypto Twitter, what started out as sly trolling by the meme community has amassed 3.6 million followers. These users are among the loudest on the network and are quick to jump onto breaking news, hurling hashtags like #ShipArmyStrong and #AshHailShip, vowing to launch SHIB to the moon. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally in 2022. With its Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, which went live in beta last week along with a number of new tokens in anticipation of the launch of a flagship metaverse, SHIB the Metaverse, which will debut rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond's first virtual storefront, it is now making its biggest leap to date. SHIB wants to use it to transcend beyond being a meme coin. The strange folklore of Shiba Inus contributes to their appeal. Shrouded in mystery, too, was its originator, Rashi, who vanished abruptly from the internet last summer, taking with him his comically cat-shaped Discord avatar. He did not, however, disappear. Shoshiro joined the plan that Rashi had left behind when the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, but before Musk's tweets caused its age to rise. And he has followed along ever since. The finances of SHIB are likewise unclear. Shoshiro claims that while money from Shoshiro NFT sales is used elsewhere, sales of metaverse land plots support the development of the metaverse. The group is still debating whether to retain a portion of the tokens or what leash and bones tokenomics will be. They refuse to say if they receive a portion of the transaction fees collected by Shibaswap. They haven't secured venture funding. The community at SHIB, which is highlighted frequently in blog entries, tweets, and magazine articles, is the company's biggest selling point. Fast Company is informed by Marcy Gastro, Shiba Inu's chief consultant for the metaverse, that the SHIB Army's input is being taken into account even while the metaverse is being planned. The group employed a company to build it with Unreal Engine software, but they lack a creative director. They start by creating concept art in black and white sketches, post the drafts to a blog, and monitor social media for feedback before repeatedly adjusting the color and rendering in 3 dimensions. The WMI Temple, the first of 11 future zones, is an untainted fantasy environment with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. Even other metaverses that are usually viewed as competitors, such Decentraland, The Sandbox, or Yuga Labs' Other Side, are part of that community. However, Jastro is adamant that the pioneers need to come together for a realm as revolutionary and emerging as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. We wanted everyone to win, we just wanted the headset to work. It may come out as overly amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. Jastro is correct, though. Because every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living in a Web 3, or even a 3D Web 2, what works for one may work for all. Though Mark Zuckerberg threw his company's reputation on the line with the metaverse division posting a $13.3 billion loss in 2022, Meta is now more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse. This is in contrast to Zuckerberg's fervent campaigning for Horizon Worlds. With only 8,000 daily active users, Decentraland is undoubtedly the industry leader. As of late last year, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar. A number of metaverse coins have experienced an 80% decline. Shibu's market value is now $6 billion, with 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00000001. As previously suggested, if the token were to increase in value to $1 per token, this would imply an astounding implicit valuation of $589 trillion, far exceeding even the gross domestic product of the world. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements keep making news. Shiba Inus have become increasingly popular as a result of their high return potential, which has attracted many investors. The community of Shiba Inu's owners and traders keeps growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor will understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. Nevertheless, given its current low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this distinctive, millennial-driven cryptocurrency. At the time of writing, Shib, the token that powers Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, has surged 15% to trade at $0.0000000120. Before the correction to $0.00000001, which coincided with the trendline Shiba had broken out in January, the price of Shiba appeared ready to turn northwards, as evidenced by its price testing and rebounding from critical descending trendline support earlier in March. By early February, Shiba had risen 96% to a new yearly high of $0.000000011576. Investors cannot truly confirm a new bull market unless Shiba checks a few boxes, despite the double-digit gain in the last day. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is now selling at $0.0000000120. Shiba Inu's trading volume surged by 30% to $321 million in the last day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price move in the days ahead. Nevertheless, price movement below $0.126 is currently limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. To sustain the breakout from the declining trendline, Shiba still needs to break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators such as the moving average convergence-divergence indicate a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. Following Silicon Valley Bank's fall, which also caused the rest of the market to collapse, the MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart for Shiba Inu. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time it is holding above the mean line. particularly during this week's rebound in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate hike decision on March 22, buyers are adamant about holding on to the accumulated profits. On the 4-hour chart, the price of Shiba Inu is above the 100-day EMA, which is at $0.111. Recall that the immediate resistance is the 100-day EMA. A daily closing above $0.111 on the daily chart may indicate that support is still in place and that the upward path is the one with the least amount of opposition. And that concludes our day. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.